How's it going, Jason? Here is Jason digging the hole for the stepping stone. Almost done. Look. These stepping stone towards our shed. Now dump the sand.
How much?
You feel common sense. Not little, not too much. Make the once you dump these things, the stepstone will be flush with the all the grass or the ground. More. Okay. Man, I have to tell you, you feel it. You not make cake. Quickly.
There.
Hey,
What's
I want to see professional work. No. Okay, put in put the stepstone. Look this guy's attitude. Okay, is it level? Do you feel it? Okay, step on it. Do you feel like the sand can level itself? Step on it more, stomp it. Oh man, get out of here. Jesus. It's not really. Dumping more sand. Take it out. Yeah. Sand all in there. More. Oh, okay. Okay. Now make sure the sand on the center is more, a little bit more, I think. Okay. Dump there. Yeah, just like move around back and forth. Yeah, something. Yeah. Okay. Now dump all this sand in the gap. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the apprentice Jason Lin is prepared a stepping stone. That's good? Okay. Another one. We almost there. You only finished 2. I finished 9. There's over there. There's more. Yeah, take one. Take that one. Yeah, fit it. You think it's good? Yeah, that looks good. Like anyway, the orientation should be towards my shed, right? Here's my shed, okay? My new shed. 8 by 15. Lifetime plastic shed. And I installed the base by myself. Wall base. Since the ground, the leveling, the slope is too high. Yeah, and you can see all the ground slope. Okay, go ahead. First step, you can see Jason is edging it. Jason, is that easy? Huh? What do you think? Easy work? Huh? You're too slow.
You're not paying me shit.
I'm training you.
I was fucking signed up for this.
Hey. You're on YouTube, okay? Teenager. What can you do? It's a volunteer job, right?
I didn't volunteer.
It's mandatory. You only finish 2. I finished 9. What do you complain at? While Jason is digging the hole, let me introduce my shed. See, I made this water shed 10 by 15 feet. I use 2 by 8 lumber. Middle is 2 by 6 lumber with a plywood 5/8 inch. I use a combination of the feet. That I believe is a tough. I don't know. Tough. Forgot. That's plastic feet, and with another one is a concrete feet. So you can see the slope is very high, very big compared with this one. And also use a tank fix on the body. This lifetime shed is $2. Let's go inside. About installing this lifetime shed, we found we have very difficult to put on the corner panel, and eventually we search YouTube. There's one lady give a very useful tips. Actually use a heat gun to heat the leg. Then we can easily to put in. Otherwise, there's no way. It's like a 2-person even put our whole weight to try to snap in, but it's very hard. So there's a trick. Use a heat gun. So you better try. Some people just shade that leg. It's not good because you damage the kind of like. The integrity of the structure, right? So yeah, take us several weekends to install this slab shed. So far there's no leak, and I'm also going to install the winter snow reinforce. Haven't installed yet. Just waiting for before the winter coming, because they say the snow loading need reinforce it, otherwise it will damage the roof. Yeah, overall so far so good. I'm going to buy another one if it's on sale. At that time I got the price tag is 3,300 before tax. Okay, but usually the about price tag is 3,600, 3,700 around that price. Okay, tag. Yeah, there's a bigger one, 8 by 20 feet. Cost about on sale is 4,700 something. Yeah, can be sell about 5,000. Yeah, lots of hundreds, thousands of bolts and nuts to assemble this shed, and just need patience and watch online YouTube instruction. I think you should be fine, but definitely need 2 person to do that, install this shed. Okay, overall I think this shed looks good, right? But yeah, it's not really perfect, I think, but I mean, for the looking, it should be fine, right? The price a bit is higher, right? For plastic ones, over 3,000 something. After tax, maybe almost 4,000 Canadian dollar, a bit pricey. But there's not much choice you can have, right? Either you use wood, but wood shed is you need to install the shingle by yourself. Yeah, so I think still tipping around. Then you need to figure out which part you need to put more sand. Beautiful. Come on, just dump there. Not enough. Yeah. Dump around the edge. Hey, look, Jason finished another one. Yeah, good, good. Yeah. Okay.
Để ta hoa duyên hoa nhà hoa, cho ta trồng ta kê ta hoa. Để ta về ta được hoa duyên lệ tu hoa nhà hoa, cho ta về ta trồng ta kê ta về ta được hoa. Để cho cô duyên hoa nhà hoa, cho trồng ta chỉ cho hoa. Để ta cô duyên hoa nhà hoa, cho ta trồng ta chỉ ta hoa. Để ta về ta được hoa duyên lệ tu hoa nhà hoa, cho ta về ta trồng ta chỉ ta về ta được hoa.